Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Something. Today I'm going to cook a very delicious and simple omelette with minced chicken. I have 4 pieces of chicken egg, 100 grams of minced chicken. This is homemade minced chicken. I use chicken breast meat with the skin on for the extra flavor. 1 tablespoon of cut chili, 1 tablespoon of cut spring onions, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots, 3 tablespoons of onion oil. Since all the ingredients is already prepared, I'm going to start off with marinate the chicken. I'm going to put the chicken in a slightly bigger bowl. I'm going to use 1/8 teaspoon of salt to marinate the chicken. So another 1/8 teaspoon for the egg. And same thing with the pepper. 1/8 teaspoon of pepper on the chicken. I'm going to marinate it with my hand. Chicken is marinated. Next, we're going to crack the eggs. I'm putting the balance of pepper, salt, putting in 1 tablespoon of onion oil, and I'm going to beat the eggs. Egg is well beaten. And now I am putting in the minced chicken. Putting in minced chicken, just slowly put in by batches. I'm going to put in 1/3 of it first. You want the minced chicken to separate in the eggs. So I'm going to put in the second batch. And now the last batch. If we put it all at once, it will be difficult to separate the chicken's pieces, because we don't want the chicken to be lumps in the eggs. So now both ingredients are well mixed, and I'm putting in the chili, spring onions, give it a mix. So egg is ready. Now we can go and fry it. Cooking this omelette, I recommend to use a non-stick pan because we don't want the egg to get stuck at the bottom of the pan. So I heat the pan and I'm putting in the balance of the onion oil in the pan. Wait for the oil to warm up. We just want the oil to just warm, don't want it to be hot, and pour in the eggs. The bottom of the pan is warm, and when the egg goes in, it will start to cook. So I'm going to slowly put it in like this, just like how we make scrambled egg. Whatever egg is cooked at the bottom, we will push it out, and it will be replaced with the egg that is not cooked yet. So the egg will cook slowly and it will be very fluffy. Once the egg is already formed up at the bottom, we don't push it anymore. We just need to wait for the egg at the bottom to cook. That will depend on the thickness of the egg that you have. So for this egg is quite thick, so I'm going to wait for about 45 seconds to 1 minute to make sure that the egg is cooked well and it cook it up from the bottom to the top, so that the minced chicken will also cook. It's already about 45 seconds. Now I'm going to flip it. Because this egg is very fluffy, so must be very gentle when you flip the eggs. So I'm using 2 of the spatula. Flip it. Yay! So the egg is nice and golden brown, kind of crispy as well. Okay, at the bottom is cooked as well. I cook about 1 minute. This kind of omelette is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. I'm going to top it with crispy fried shallots. This kind of omelette, you can cook it for a main dish or even a side dish. Let's eat! See? Look at how fluffy the egg is, and the chicken inside is all well cooked. And I'm going to have it with rice today. It is so delicious. The egg is very fluffy, very tasty and very flavorful. Very nice fragrance of crispy fried shallots and with a little hint of the spiciness from the chili when eat with rice. It's such a comfort food. You should give it a try. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye-bye.